She's a killer queen, gunpowder gelatine, dynamite with the dynamite with the dynamite with the. All white like I miss her. I got TZ in my swish. I dropped 2 cups in August. Why that mixtape too official? Got 2 of everything, 2 watches, 2 chains, and 2 pistols. Not just 2 pistols, 2 crystal. Extend those longer than pencil. Fuck you, me. I go off my team. Boy, fuck you thought, nigga, I rock designer. Shorty, this shit cost, I don't know what the fuck you bought. So you not from over there, but you over there, you getting whacked, give a fuck if you low. I done turned to the savage, this shit I got dope. All I hate with is killers, I ain't never got caught. My squad go crazy, I'm with Shotty go crazy. Know the boss folks crazy, we told him to 3-8. I dare a nigga try to play me, I'ma lay his ass down like he lazy, bitch, I ain't for none. They put a nigga on parole, see I couldn't walk around with no guns. Well, you can ask bro them, they'll tell you about phone them. I have niggas see me and they run, cause they know I got it on me. And I can murk to my homie. I'm just riding around by my loadie. But she ain't just called, say you wanna ride with me. So I put him in the back, let him talk the back of rolling, and that bitch go. Semi-automatic, it took off a nigga back. I wish a nigga would try and run up on back. Yeah, I can fight, but I run out strap. I run out pole of a nigga. Gotta keep a pole on me, nigga. I'm too low for a nigga. How you can come for a pole of a nigga and you home already? Lord knows you done told a nigga. You can catch you on the pole where it's cold. You can froze a nigga, need a sweater or a coat, little nigga. No sense in humor, but if you walk around broke, little nigga, I laugh at that joke, little nigga, with your funny ass.
Fake ass shows, your bummy ass. I can't rely on wait for the dummy bags. They don't get money, man. Smoking up dope.
I got money, I got bitches and settle. Bitch, I was getting caught with this and go better. No season, this shit, I'm smoking no metal. Flash keep me out like I'm rolling out the Adderall. I be bustin', my squad ain't for nothing. Let my Nina talk, cause she don't like discuss. A couple face shots, couple shots to his stomach. His brains oozing out, that shit look like some vomit. Somebody get his ass up. Ambulance pick his ass up. He's dead on a rival, there's no point of trying to knock or stitch his ass up, boys are over with. BBG who I'm rolling with. But you already know that shit, they pay homage like they owe that shit. I see you got a gun, you not on shit till you blow that bitch. If I was a scared man, I'd be dead man.